How organized is your warehouse? The NetSuite Bin Management feature keeps your warehouses organized and streamlined. With this feature, you can assign and track inventory in specific bin locations. That means you always know where your inventory is going, where it is, and where to grab it when you're fulfilling an order. Let's take a look at how to set up and use bin management. First, what is bin management? Bin management is a NetSuite feature that allows you to assign individual inventory items to specific bins within a warehouse location. So instead of just knowing that a product is stored at location A, you know it's in aisle 4, bin B2, ready to be picked or counted. Accurate bin level tracking helps you organize inventory efficiently and reduces picking errors. It also simplifies inventory counts for companies with high inventory volume and multiple SKUs. Let's take a look at what you need to start using the bin management feature in NetSuite. First, you'll need to enable the bin management feature, which you will find on the inventory section of the Items and Inventory tab in Enable Features. While you're there, double check that the multi-location inventory feature has also been enabled, since bin tracking works at the location level. Now you're ready to start creating individual bins for each of your locations. To do that, navigate to Lists, Supply Chain, Bins, New. On this page, enter a name or code for the bin, such as A1, Shelf 3B, etc. Then choose the location where the bin will exist. You can create as many bins as needed per location. NetSuite allows multiple items and quantities to be stored in each bin. Once you have created bin records, you'll need to configure your item records for bins. To do that, navigate to an inventory item record that you plan to use for bins and open it in edit mode. Then navigate to the Purchasing/Inventory subtab and select the Use Bins checkbox. When you scroll to the end of the Purchasing/Inventory subtab, you'll notice that you have the option of assigning bin numbers to this particular item. To do that, select a location and corresponding bin number. You can add multiple lines for each location. You can also add multiple lines for a single location, but one bin for each location should be marked as the preferred location in the Preferred Per Location column. When you're finished, save the record. NetSuite provides the Bin Put Away worksheet to help with organization as you sort items into bins. You can access this worksheet by navigating to Transactions, Inventory, Bin Put Away worksheet. On this page, enter the relevant date, it will default to today, and select the location. NetSuite will generate a list of all the bins that are available for each of your items at that location. You can make entries on this worksheet that adjust the on-hand quantities of your items in their respective bins. How would you assign bins on transactions? Many types of transactions, including things like sales order, purchase order, invoice, etc., allow you to make bin selections on the record using the Inventory Detail pop-up window. On a transaction record, navigate to the Item sublist and select the icon in the Inventory Detail column. This will open a pop-up window where you can select the bins you need to work with, either for receiving, fulfilling, or putting away items. Bin management integrates into several standard NetSuite processes, including the following. Item receipts, which allows you to assign incoming inventory to bins during receiving. Sales order fulfillments, which allows you to pick items from specified bins for accurate order fulfillment. Inventory counts, which allows you to count stock by bin for more precise tracking. Bin transfers, which allows you to move inventory between bins within the same location. These capabilities help streamline warehouse workflows and reduce manual tracking outside of NetSuite. NetSuite Bin Management offers a simple, powerful way to organize your warehouse. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by hitting the like button. And to learn more about how SuiteRep can help you with all of your NetSuite needs, visit us at SuiteRep.com.